Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Entitled Woman Thinks American Laws Don't Apply to Her.
On August 30th, 2025, police in Paramus, New Jersey were called after a shoplifter attacked a store employee while trying to flee. When confronted in the parking lot, the suspect immediately resists and makes the whole situation 100 times worse.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm not talking
Okay,
to you.
wait. You gotta talk to me. You gotta
No,
talk to me.
I'm not
Wait,
going to.
Listen to me.
Just shut up! How can you touch me?
I'm allowed to touch you.
You cannot. Without permission, you cannot. Don't you dare do that.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Roll over.
My
Stand. You got a cup over here? Yeah. Put a cup on.
What's their location? Security stating that they're at the back wall and that Alpha 3 is currently physically fighting with that individual.
Got one on? All right, hurry.
1 and 2, just be advised that we have Sergeant Maywood out there.
Alpha 3, I have a number.
Steve Alpha 3.
Get up. Let's go.
Who are you?
91999. Receive Echo 1. You cancel Maywood. Come out with Alpha 3.
No. No. Get in here. Hold on, sir.
What is happening? It's wrong! It's all wrong! What is it? Mazak ka ba yan? Mother John!
Calm down.
Shut up! You don't
I'm gonna have to take
done!
this off.
Shameless mother! Oh, he turned my head so badly.
Take this off. No.
Man!
Keep your arm here. Stop. Stop resisting. Okay.
She's been trespassed before, so we'll start with that too.
Okay.
You remember it.
Yeah, I do. You guys have information on her or no?
Just send it over and you guys get it. Have a under arrest.
Oh, shut up! Shut up! This is a drama! Shut up! Shut up!
Alpha 288. Echo 1, no further.
My shoes are there!
Receive Echo 1. We'll cancel Maywood.
I hate you!
That 1. Echo 1. We're going to need transporting shortly to give a breakers on that.
It's a head गणेश भगवान जी कभी माफ नहीं करना ये हरामजादों को कुत्ते भागों कभी ना मदरचोद में शूज आ गए नाटक खेल रहे भांचोड़ा इसके माँ का बोझड़ा 9/11 में इतना वेस्ट चूतिया कहेंगे कि एक नंबर के हरामजादे कभी ना मादर चोदा कभी जिंदगी में अच्छे नहीं रहेंगे मादर चोदा गणेश भगवान जी के दिन ऐसा करते साले तुम्हारी कंट्री को प्रोटेक्ट करी मैं कुत्ते कमीने हरामजादे सारी जिंदगी में फेलियर थे तुम लोग एक 16 ईयर की बच्ची को नहीं बचा सके तुम लोग क्या आदमी है हरामजादे कमीने कुत्ते जोर से सर पे मार लगा 48 years की हूँ मैं हरामजादा कमीना नीच मार लो कमीना नाचे
You got hit in the head because he wasn't acting right. As simple as that. Hey, listen, you giving foreigners a bad rap now. That's crazy. You know, I like, you know, foreigners, they don't bother me. You know what I'm saying? But and a lot of them come over here and they're hard workers. You know, you see them in construction and different things like that or whatever. You know, but you just stealing things and stuff, and you're a regular. They already know you. You're a regular. Normally, you're a regular at your favorite restaurant or your favorite bar, or you know, your barber shop. You know, nail salon if you get your nails done. You're a regular for stealing. Okay, that come on now. Come on, you don't want that reputation. That's crazy. You know, crazy. But it's good that at first I thought it was like a random, like Good Samaritan, but then I seen the radio and stuff like that. So he's probably loss prevention, and he was probably following her as, you know, as the cop pulled up and stuff like that. But, you know, lady cops don't be playing, man, you know, and it's definitely good that he stepped in and helped out or whatever the case may be. But yeah, it's tough getting someone handcuffed when they're fighting and stuff like that. And she had all the beads on and stuff like that. Just a nightmare. But anyway, let's continue. Let's see what's going on here. She ain't acting right. Don't complain that you got hit in the head now because you wasn't acting right. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you need a little factory reset. You know, you come back to center. You know what I'm saying? You a little off.
I don't know any of the story.
All I know is that they said they wanted her off. I went to approach her.
She's been trespassed before. I've actually trespassed. Yeah.
And then she started swinging on me. So then we went down.
All right. Ag assault, resisting, trespassing.
So she was on property, and then you were.
Yeah, she was in the bathroom doing her usual. She's been trespassed multiple times. She's in the bathroom stuffing toilet paper and everything she can stuff it in. We told her to leave. She left. She came back. She left. She came back. She was just pouring bottles of water in there. I asked her to leave again. Started yelling and screaming at me, and that's when you pulled up, and then she immediately. What do they need? So they all got me.
All right, cool. Thank you. Yeah, I'm okay.
Throw a trespass on there, though. Definitely.
Okay.
She's been trespassed.
Appreciate it.
Come on now. One foot. The other foot.
leave my head.
Let's go.
Get out of the car.
No one told you to fight
So
me.
much with the
Get out of the car. Let's go.
you know.
Seriously, hold on. Let's have an honest conversation. If we're gonna have this problem the whole
Stand
life,
up.
Her stuff is in the car.
Step up.
Do not spit.
So far now, what's the state?
कमीने 9/11 हुआ था तुम लोग का कमीने भागो FBI agent I hate you
Okay.
कुत्ता भागो failure you are a failure FBI agent
Let's go.
boy laughed at you
Let's go.
you know me and my children protected
Right back here.
shame on you
Thank you. All right, face this wall right here, right? Easy enough? Perfect. Thank you.
my head is just so paining on the board
Put your hand right here. Put your hand right here.
This is the value we have. Protecting millions of people, this is the value you do. Shame on you! That's
Spread your legs open. Take a seat. Give me all your jewelry. Take that off.
She have a pin in her hair too.
What do you have in your hair? You checked out. Do you have any other jewelry on you? You need to take this off.
No, I cannot. This is God's. I cannot take it. It's a thread.
Okay. What is this?
This is.
You have to take that off.
Should be good.
This is God's.
You have to
That's
take
fine.
that off.
God will watch you from above. Any other jewelry?
No,
All right. Sit over here on this side. What hand do you write with?
right hand.
Take your shoe off. And take your foot. You can hold on to those.
Yeah, right, perfect. EMS here. You guys can make this mess.
Thank you.
Thank you.
She speaks English?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very polite. Probably not yet, but we'll get it momentarily. I'll look it up.
The suspect was charged with theft, criminal trespassing, resisting arrest, and battery on an officer. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and
Damn. Honestly, I would have made her take that thread off too. We would have had to cut it off, whatever. You know, when you going in there, you can't have nothing on. Nothing that means nothing. You know what I mean? As far as jewelry or accessories and stuff like that are concerned, you know, I would have cut it off. That's a fact. You know, your whole beads. Oh, it's for God or whatever. Yeah. Did God tell you to steal from the stores repeatedly? Don't be crying to God now. He ain't saving you out of this one. But yeah, so I think the cops did pretty well. I think the Samaritan did definitely a good job. So like I thought he was loss prevention because I seen the radio, so I figured he was already loss prevention. So that's good. And you know what? Actually, I like what the loss prevention guy was doing. Like he seen him first or seen her first, asked her to leave and stuff, and you know, before calling the cops. It's not like they came back and he immediately like called the cops. He's like, go. She left, but then she came back, you know. And so it's like, I like when people could take initiative on their own without getting other people involved. The same thing, that's the biggest problem that I got with like the police forces nowadays. It's like an officer can't even do his job because he always has to get permission from a supervisor to do anything. I think that's absolutely wrong. It's like, call a supervisor, and like it's always that it really annoys me. But anyway, I think they did a great job, man. I give them 4 out of 5. You know, pretty good job. Let me know how well you think the officer did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.